What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your Snapchat account username without waiting 1 year. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Snapchat app, then you have to go to your Snapchat profile. After doing so, you have to click on the settings option in the top right corner. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to settings, you have to scroll it down and you have to search an option called I have a suggestion. So this is the new way in the new update of Snapchat. You have to click on this option. So after clicking on this, you have to search profile. You have to click on this profile option. After clicking on profile, then you have to click on choose topic. You have to click on this. Then you have to find the option called my profile. You can see here is the my profile. You have to click on this. So after doing so, you have to type here that I want to. You have to copy same as mine. Okay, change my username before 1 year. Okay, it's urgent. So after typing this, what you need to do, you have to click on submit. So after clicking on submit, they will reach back to you after sometimes in the 24 hour, and then you can able to change your username before 1 year. So this is how the new update work. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.